Hello, my name is Francisco and this is my house.
In my house, there's a kitchen.
This is a living room, a bathroom, a dining room downstairs. And this apartment, this is like my dog Jackson. Say hello, Jackson. Upstairs are 3 bedrooms and another bathroom. One of these rooms is mine. Welcome. In my living room, there are some toys and books on the shelf. There's a TV and computer on the desk. There's a rug on the desk. There's a gaming chair opposite the computer. It's a quiet, comfortable. There's some poster on the wall. There's a bed next to the desk. The bookshelf on the bed. There are some toys and books on the bookshelf. And there's a lamp on the ceiling. This was my room tour. See you next time. Goodbye.